Okay, so this is Math-7, the orange benchmark preparation, number 7. The expression 6 minus b minus c is given. In the expression, assume that b and c could be the following values. Okay, so b could be 6 or negative 6, and c could be 6 or negative 6. What could be a possible value for the expression? Select all that apply. Okay, so, well, there are 4 scenarios for this problem. So I'm going to list all the possible scenarios here, and then we'll work out each one of them to figure out our final answer. This is different than your usual multiple choice in the sense that you are not choosing just one answer, you're choosing more than one of them. Okay, so let's look at it. Okay, so here you can see that, well, I've listed the possible scenarios. So if b is 6, okay, here in the box it says b could be 6 or negative 6. So if b is 6, c could be 6, and c can also be negative 6. And then if b is negative 6, then c can be positive 6 or negative 6. So you have 4 possible scenarios here, and we need to be very systematic to solve this problem. Okay, so if b is positive 6, then your expression becomes 6 minus 6, and then c is also positive 6. So 6 minus 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 gives you 0. 0 minus 6, so this is negative 6. And then the next one, this scenario here. Now if b is 6, then you have 6 minus, so b is 6, so minus 6, and then minus c. But c here in this case is negative 6, so be careful here. So now we have 6 minus 6 minus negative 6. Okay? Okay, 6 minus 6, that is 0 again, and then 0 minus negative 6. And remember, when you subtract a negative number, it's the same as adding the opposite. So this is 0 plus positive 6. So your answer is positive 6. Okay, then the third scenario. Now this time b is negative 6. So you have 6 minus negative 6, so be very careful. And then minus c, c is positive 6, so minus 6. Okay, then now you have 6 minus negative 6. 6 minus negative 6 is the same as 6 plus positive 6, adding the opposite. So 6 plus positive 6. This part will give you 12. And then 12 minus 6, so your answer is positive 6. Okay, and then we're almost done. The last scenario here, b is negative 6. So 6 minus negative 6, just like the last one. And then minus c. Minus c here, so minus negative 6. Okay, so 6 minus negative 6, same as adding the opposite. So this is the same as 6 plus positive 6, that gives you 12. And then 12 minus negative 6, again adding the opposite. So 12 plus positive 6. Then your answer is 12 plus 6, which is 18. So now you have the 4 different answers here. Well, 3, actually it's only 3 answers. You have negative 6, positive 6, and 18. So now you can choose among these 6 answers. Okay, so it is negative 6, so B is the correct answer. And then positive 6, so D is the correct answer. And then the last one, 18, so F is also a correct answer. Okay. Okay, this is number 19. Trey, Marco, and Tina won a cash prize at a talent show. They decided to share the money evenly between them. When Trey got home, he gave half of his money to his little sister for helping him practice. How nice of him. What fraction of the overall prize money did Trey keep for himself? Okay, so here is a fraction problem. You don't really know how much the prize money is, and you don't really need to know. Okay, so let's look at this. I'm highlighting the important information here first. Okay, so they are sharing the prize evenly between 3 people. And then he would give half his money to his little sister. Okay, so what fraction of the overall prize money did Trey keep for himself? Okay. This prize money is just one whole is a pot of money. It could be a piece of, it could be a pie. So when we think of it as a pie, is a lot easier to think about how the money is being divided. Okay, so the first part is being divided evenly among 3 people. So that means Trey would get 1/3 of the money. Okay, and then Trey would give half of the prize money to his sister. Okay, that means Trey gets 1/2 of the 1/3 of the money. So, and you look at it like this. So Trey got 1/3, and then he would share 1/2 to the sister. So 1/2 times 1/3, so he gets to keep 1/6 of the money. Okay, so to recap, if you look at this money as a rectangle, so at first the money get divided among 3 people. Okay, so I'm cutting this into 3 parts. Okay, so Trey get to take this one part home. Okay, so this part is for Trey. And then when Trey gets home, he will give half his money to the sister. So this part get to be the sister's money. Okay, so when you look at this shape here, this is what Trey would get to keep. So this is not really, when you look at the whole shape, and then I'll divide this part further. So Trey is actually getting 1/6 of the money. Okay, so once you look at the picture, it's a lot easier to understand. I think the biggest problem with a lot of students is they always want to know how much the total money is, just so they could actually figure out the dollar amount. But in fact, you don't have to know. Just remember, this is like a budget. So you're only looking at the fractional part. You don't need to know the exact amount. Okay? So Trey gets to keep 1/6 of the money.